In this video, we will learn what to do if I used spoof on Fortnite and I cannot play COD anymore. So if you use spoofer on Fortnite and can't play Call of Duty anymore, though the solution is very simple. All you need to do is go to the search panel of Windows. From here you need to type registry editor, then click on open. After your registry editor has opened, all you need to do is firstly go to the HWID local machine. From here you need to click on software. So click on the arrow beside software, which will maximize it. After coming into software, you need to go to the M section and open up Microsoft. After opening up Microsoft, all you need to do is just go to the section of C, then type in cryptography. In here you will find the machine GUID. Just double click on it. So now all you need to do is paste this code in machine GUID. After you pasted this code, just press on OK and your new GUID of your machine will be saved. And now you can just safely minimize or close it. And now you will be able to easily play Call of Duty and any other games affected by the spoofer. So this is how you can easily reset your HID after spoofing, and enjoy. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our Topical Talks channel for more videos.